Jayad Basha here. In the last session, we have been discussed about social and cultural environment in business, right? So, in today's session, we are going to discuss about what you mean by social value and the principles of social values. Correct. Social values is the quantification of the relative importance that people place on the changes they experience in their lives. Okay, some but not all of these values is captured in market prices. It is important to consider the measures of social values from the perspective of those affected by the organization's work. Here, social values are important. Social values are most important aspects of social system which plays a predominant role in running and maintaining the society order. They provide not only the general guidance for social conduct and behavior, but also establish the norms of honesty is honesty is the most appropriate honesty is most appropriate behavior of an individual in a social system. Even those who do not do business based on adulteration and fake products, they also like and expect the honesty from others, right? So here, like example, when it, when we take the example from education, like cheating in exams never bring high values. However, if someone brings high marks by cheating, the student, despite having done good, but majority of students and teachers will never pay considerable heed. Rather than they make ridiculous and statical remarks. Correct. Here, social values in business, uh, social values in business, like it's the primary goal of every entrepreneur is to operate a business that brings in large profits, right? In addition to being a way to earn money, a business can also promote social values that benefits others. Social values can be incorporated into the everyday business plan or can be the driving force behind starting a business venture, right? Social values in business, like protecting environment, correct? Protecting the environment is one of value that can easily become part of your business process. Make a point of purchasing recycled products such as paper and printer ink cartridges, properly dispose of any hazardous waste materials, conserving energy by turning off computers and lights when they are not in use, and keeping company vehicles in good working order to reduce harmful emissions. Okay, these are few of the measures of protecting the environment, right? And apart from these, humanitarian issues, right? Uh, when uh, when the business used to support humanitarian causes that relates to the business, like for example, the business operates a food related business such as a restaurant or bakery, donate a portion of your sales to feed the needy, could also prepare meals for homeless shelters on holidays or during the cold winter months, right? So these are the some humanitarian social aspects, values, right? And helping communities. Okay, small businesses have a major impact on their community by demonstrating social values. Example, a business can sponsor a charity event including a car wash or to raise money for a needed fire engine or police cruiser, and like donating money to organizations that benefit the community, right? And by helping the communities, it also improves the business reputation, correct? So we could see that, the big organizations in our areas, like BMW, sorry, BMM, JSW, they are also doing such this kind of community helping activities, right? And apart from this, the operating procedures of the company, social values in the way, uh, are the way how the business is conducting, charging a reasonable price of goods and services, will placing a strong emphasis on customer service, providing a work environment where employees are treated fairly, and hiring employees who share the same value structure, right? And balancing the desire to run a profitable business with conducting it in ethical manner. Okay, these are the few operating procedures with respect to social values, correct? And social consciousness of business, like like a social entrepreneur, you can operate a business with the purpose of benefiting for society, such as producing and marketing a green product that helps the environment. Another option is to start a non-profit company that champions a particular social cause, right? So these are the few social values which related to business operations. Okay, so this will help an organization to build a reputation in the society. Okay, now we are going to discuss about some basic principles of social values. Okay, basic principles of social values are as follows, like these involving stakeholders, like inform what gets measured and how this is measured, and value in an account of social value by involving stakeholders. Like here, stakeholders are the owners, shareholders. Okay, they are contributing the capital to run a business, to start a business. Okay, they are responsible for the all the activities or causes of the business, right? So hence, it is very important to involve the stakeholders and understanding the what the change. It is important to understand the change. Okay, whether it's a positive or negative change, we should understand what should we need to change. Okay, we should understand what would be the impact of the change. Okay, so then value the things that matter, correct? They are making decision about allocating resources between different options needs to recognize the value of stakeholders. Value refers to the relative importance of different outcomes. It is informed by the stakeholders' preferences, right? And it only include what is material. Okay, material, right? Determining what information and evidence must be included in the account to give a true and fair picture, such that stakeholders can draw reasonable conclusions about impact, right? And few of the principles, like do not overclaim. It should be transparent, verifying the result. Okay, it's important to be having a transparent system. Okay, demonstrating the basis on which the analysis may be considered accurate and honest, and show that it will be reported to and discussed with the stakeholders, right? So these are the principles of social values. Okay, in the next class we will be discussing about social attitude, and in the next session we will be discussing about social attitude. Thank you, class.